we're going to talk about another source that you mustn't be able to know how to cite, and that is Miss Bumpus's PowerPoint slides. Now, here's the frustrating part about the Google Doc tool function. There is no way for you to add a PowerPoint as the option. So you can go to source type, it's not there. Okay, you go here, not there. So we have to figure out how to do that. I went online and found a place called bibliography.com that shows us how to cite a PowerPoint slide in APA. So we are going to use, it's called the standard author date citation form. So we're going to have the author, the date, and the title of the presentation. So here's how we're going to make this work. I'm taking a look at this, and I know, because I do this a lot, that this is exactly like the book, how we would get a book, okay? How we would cite a book. So now that I know that, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to do book. Now, Miss Bumpus, if you've accessed her slides by the website, you're going to have to cite that, okay? You'll have to give the link for her website, okay, where you got it. So let's start here. First name is Patty Bumpus, okay? Now, let's say that you used her slide about the circulatory system. Okay, you don't have to worry about a publisher, but here's what you do need to do. In a bracket, let's go back over here and look. Do you see how the bracket, this is a PowerPoint slide, it is a bracket. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put a bracket, and you'll be thinking, Miss Pinion, where is that? It's beside the P on the keyboard. PowerPoint presentation, close bracket. Okay, boom. There, that is done. So we've been able to do it. Now, we don't know what year she did it. We're going to put 2021 because that's the school year right now, unless she tells you something differently. Short title, we're going to put Bumpus because that is her slide. Okay. Here is where you would put the website that she used. If she puts it in her Canvas page, if wherever she gives it to you, you copy and paste the URL there. Okay? All right? And then you'll hit add source. And there it is. That's how you do it. So there we credit her with the author and the title. Okay? That's how you take care of that.